Hello and welcome to the First Blast. And have we got an interesting show today? Today we're going to be talking about grey matter. Hercule Poirot from Agatha Christie and all the analysis that he used to do. All that little grey matter upstairs, your mental health, my mental health, our mental health and the state's mental health. We're going to look at it all. We're going to talk about the condition of the nation to a degree and its impact on our population. We're going to talk about women's mental health and we're going to talk about children's and men's as well. They all have an impact on our society. All of it affects us, whether we like to admit it or not. All of us are surrounded by it, and 20% of us in the population suffer from it. So let's find out more. Take a look at this preview.
How many of us in this world today are enjoying life to the fullest? And that's where the concept of mental health comes.
Healthcare and education is the duty of the government.
It's a domain.
And the government should do it.
Every second person is suffering from it. So 20% of people actually are suffering in community.
It is not available to those who are underprivileged, and it is the underprivileged and the downtrodden. And in Pakistan, that target tends to be women and children because they go undefended.
There are more psychiatric disorders during pregnancy.
We're talking about women and mental health.
Quality of life is a concept which is now used about health.
Sometimes late abortion, like a death in the family. Man doesn't understand.
Even at that level, women are treated, as you said, as if there were some kind of monsters.
How many of these women and children in the displaced people are going through post-traumatic stress disorder?
I'm not talking about the violence against women. That is a separate thing which you wanted to touch on anyway.
Yeah. I find that the educated young housewives, the working mothers, working women, they have a better relationship with their mother-in-laws.
You and me will not be able to change the whole system.
They feel more masculine by conquering young women.
This woman, she was preparing for this pregnancy and suddenly she lost this pregnancy.
Especially middle-aged men. A very happy marriage, well grown-up children, and suddenly he'll have an affair with a very... I mean, in some ways, I don't know, it's a good example. What Clinton did to Lewinsky.
Inconsequential.
Well, I'm not going into details of that.